the video will cover the handout named The Trick for Finding Horizontal Asymptotes. And this is pretty easy. It's going to be a very short video, I hope. So what we need to do is first we look at the degree of the top and the bottom. And we already know rational functions are made out of polynomials, right? So you will have a degree on the numerator and a degree on the denominator. So the degree is actually the greatest exponent. Do you guys remember that? So find the greatest exponent used in the numerator and also in the denominator. They might be the same or they might be different. One might be higher than the other. And so if we consider that, if they're the same degree, or one is greater, and here's where we have our three cases. And I say three because it's 1, 2, and 3. Right here you can see it with the arrows. So if the degree of the numerator is greater, I refer to this one as top heavy. If the degree of the denominator is the one that is greater, then how do you guys think I will call it? If it's not top heavy, it will be bottom heavy. Yes. And the third case is when the degrees are the same. And so those are just called same degree. Okay. Now it's very easy to find the horizontal asymptotes if you have a rational function where the denominator is greater. This is the easiest because by default, the horizontal asymptote will always be y equals 0. Always. Always, always, always. Now, if the numerator is greater, then that one is pretty easy too because you simply have no horizontal asymptote. Now, what happens if we have the same degree? Well, if we have the same degree, we have to think a little bit and divide the leading coefficient of the numerator divided by the leading coefficient of the denominator. So let me show you here quickly how we will find the horizontal asymptotes. So right here, this one is degree 2 on the numerator, the denominator is degree 2. So these are same degree, right? So what will be the horizontal asymptote? That's going to be the ratio between these two leading coefficients. Oh, I'm sorry. Those are not the coefficients. This is the degree. My bad. It will be the ratio between 3 and 5 because those are the leading coefficients. And that's it. That's the horizontal asymptote. The next one is top heavy. So according to our chart, top heavy, because the degree of the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 1. For top heavy, we have no horizontal asymptote. The third one, the degree of the numerator is the highest exponent there, and that's a 1. The degree of the denominator is a 2. So this is bottom heavy. And for bottom heavy, by default, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And let's do one more and the last one. So the degree of the numerator is a 3. The degree of the denominator is also a 3. So again, we have same degree. So the horizontal asymptote is going to be the line y equals, and it's going to be the ratio between the two leading coefficients. And so the leading coefficients here, we have a 4 and a 2. So if we divide 4 divided by 2, what does that give me? 2. So the horizontal asymptote is 2. This is y equals 0. Here we don't have 1. And here is 3/5. And that is the end of this video.